How to install cartridges in Canon Pixma TS-5151. First, make sure your printer is powered on and open the cartridge access door, like this. The cartridge holder will slide from the right side to the middle. Next, push the handle on the cartridge slot and open the lid. If you have an old cartridge, pull it up and towards you to remove. Repeat the action for another slot. Next, unbox your new cartridges and remove protective materials from print head and contacts. Do not touch contacts and print head with your fingers. Next, hold your new cartridge so that the label faces you and put the color cartridge into the left cartridge slot. Then put the black cartridge into the right cartridge slot. After this, just close the lids until you hear a click. 1, 2. And finally, close the cartridge access door. If there are no error messages on the display, everything is correct and you can continue using your printer. Thanks for watching.